Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to unlink Telegram from any other devices, which is gonna terminate all of that. So in this video, you can just go ahead and watch this video till the end to do so. So you can start by opening up the Telegram app, tap on it, and open up your Telegram app on your device. And once you open it up, you can go to the settings of your Telegram. For that, from this screen right here, look out for the menu option in the top left corner and go ahead and tap on it. And once you go ahead and tap on it, what you may do is basically look out for the option of settings from here. So just go over and tap on settings and open it up. And then under settings, you should be finding different options available. So what you need to do is basically scroll down and select the option of devices from here. And once you tap on devices, here you will be finding all of your sessions here. So if you want to unlink a device, you just need to go ahead and confirm your choice by tapping on this option called terminate all other sessions button. So tap on it. After you tap on it, you just need to confirm that you would like to terminate. And once you tap on it on the pop-up menu, that will unlink Telegram from all of the other devices that you do not want except for this one. And that is it. So therefore, this is the process you can follow up if you want to unlink Telegram from other devices. So therefore, guys, thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.